Alright guys, just a quick review on some ball joints that I'm doing on my truck. Sorry for that. It's a 2008 Dodge Dakota, 2-wheel drive. These are the stock ball joints that I've had since I've owned the truck. As you can see, the top here has cracked, the boot is completely gone, and that should not be doing that. 250,000 miles, I know guys, that's dangerous. I should have done them probably 75,000 miles ago, but you know how it is when you get lazy. So these are the new Moog Problem Solvers. You can see that. So it has a Zerk fitting on top. You can see here. Zerk fittings in the bag. It has your, what is that called? Your snap ring on it, and then it has a castle nut. Because this actually has a castle nut with a cotter pin that goes to the front, which the stock one does not. So, alright, let's put these bad boys in. That's my little quick review. We'll see how they hold up. So you can see, can't even move them with my hand. As the other one. Yeah. Change your ball joints, guys.